In this video, we'll discuss Bulb, which is a browser or mobile application-based digital portfolio tool, which has a number of pedagogical applications from both a teacher-centered perspective as well as a student-centered perspective. Here, we're simply using our Gmail to log in. And if we look at this, we have a number of options here. First, we can create individual pages. So as a teacher, if we wanted to provide an individual page resource item to learners, we could do that very easily. Simply by clicking create a page, we would give it a title. And then as we click on the start typing or add media, we could select a video. So if I wanted to include a video that I created as a teacher or something that maybe students created or something like that, or a YouTube video, I could simply click that here. And then I could provide a caption and then a comment here. So if I wanted to give students a prompt on how they should interact with the resource or whatever, I could do that here very easily. I can allow and disallow comments, and then I can share it via a direct link. I could shorten the URL. I can share it via a number of direct sources here, or I could simply publish it as well and make it visible to the public. I could search for individual users, or I can create a private share link and share that with my students. I'm not going to do that here. From a teacher, also we have the ability to create collections. So a collection is a number of different pages, all in a single collection. So here we might want to, let's just say, let's go ahead and actually let's just do American. So if I wanted to set up something for a specific class, I could create a collection here. And again, I can make it visible to the public. I could give the class their own private shareable link, and I could also delete it, save it as a template. So if I wanted to create this template for all of my American history classes, I could do that and just modify the resources as is appropriate. So here, we'll cancel that. So now I have American history page 3. So if I go back to my page here, I can click this, create a page, and now I can add individual resources for this. So again, if I wanted to do the Red Scare video, and let me go back. We can publish it now. I could then go create another page. So let's say I wanted to provide a newspaper article. And I could just link directly to the image, to a file, to a URL, to a video, etc. Again, I can provide prompts, captions, etc. So then if we look at this also from a student perspective, this is a great tool for allowing them to summarize their final thoughts. So everything we just did from a teacher perspective in creating pages, creating collections, students can then do that, and they can compile items as they see fit to illustrate what they know, to provide additional context to material that they may have done in other assignments, or they can simply use it as a tool to create a digital portfolio, maybe showing progress through a particular course. So again, this is a great tool for allowing learners to show what they know in alternative ways, to reflect upon the teaching and learning process, and to really just provide that additional context and information. We hope you found this a useful tool.